doing? He lost. What are you doing? No. Can't be here. You'll get hurt.
Holy shit. Dude, that's sick. Holy shit, it's Bigfoot.
No, don't do that. You're gonna have to go.
Should I try and catch him?
Hey, come on. Oh, it looks like he's tagged. Oh, he's tagged. He has a tag on him.
Fuck.
Come on. Come on. Up,
Should I try and
Up.
catch him?
up. Come on.
Should I try and catch him and take him somewhere?
I don't know. He was
It
tagged.
looks like he's got tags and shit, dude.
Yeah.
Let me get him, bro.
Come on. Up. Up. Come on. Come on.
Let me get him.
You want to grab? No, you don't. You don't need that. Come on.
Bubba.
Come on up. Oh. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. I mean, we probably could have got him.
That was cool.
We could have grabbed him,
I
but
could've grabbed him. I was too afraid.
I didn't want to hurt him.
You see that, man?